Hi guys, welcome back. So in today's video we will be going through the process of installing DBeaver SQL client in macOS. So let's get to it. Okay, so like I mentioned, in this video we will be going through the process of installing DBeaver SQL client in MacBook or macOS if you like. So this is the documentation page, or this is a website really for DBeaver, dbeaver.io. So if you go to this website, or if you just type in your browser DBeaver download, it will bring you to dbeaver.io website. So just go ahead and click that and it will bring you to the downloads page right here. So this is the downloads page, and like I mentioned again, this is DBeaver is really nothing but a SQL client tool. So you can download it and connect it to your databases. So if you have MySQL, if you have MariaDB, if you have Postgre, SQLite, or Apache family tools, you can use DBeaver to connect and work with those tools. Okay, so if you scroll down here, it tells you that we have two versions here for DBeaver. We have the community edition, which is a open source and free version, and DBeaver Pro. So I think this one you have to pay. So for this video, we will just be downloading the community edition because this should be good enough for us to play with. This one has more features, but this should contain just enough features for you to play with in development environment. So it can connect again to MySQL, SQL Server, Postgre, and many others. Let's see if we can see it here. Yeah, so supported databases quite a bit. So Athena, Hive, you have here Pepplefish. I've never heard of that. So there are a lot of them, a lot of databases that DBeaver supports. So this is a really very powerful SQL client to have. So to download, again, I am in MacBook, so I'm going to just click the downloads here. Or actually, let's go to downloads page here. I think that this gives us a better view of what we need to install. Again, I'm in MacBook. I think it should be the same. If you're in Windows, just go ahead and click for Windows. If you're in Linux, just click for Linux. So for me, since I'm using macOS, I'm just going to click macOS, and you can choose which version of Mac you have. So for me, I have macOS with Apple Silicon, so I'm going to click this, and that should download the DMG file. So if you go to your downloads now, this should be pretty quick to download this file. It's not that big of a file. So it has completed downloading. So I'm just going to navigate there in my downloads, and I'm going to double click this. So if I double click this, it's going to pop up this window. So I'm just going to move this to my applications. Hold on. Yep, I'm going to move to my applications, and you can see here this is the DBeaver. It's been moved here, and to install now, you can do it directly from here or just go to applications and click there. So I'm just going to double click it, and I'm going to allow it to open, and basically it's ready. That was quick. That one worked very quickly for me. I think I downloaded it before, so maybe it still recognized the disk space in my environment. But for you, it might ask you to go through some steps. Just go ahead and click it, and it's going to finish it for you. The steps are pretty straightforward. It's not very difficult to download it. And then once you're done, just go ahead, and I guess if you're using Mac like me, you can go to your desktop. I believe you can check this one because it's just the downloads file. Just going to remove that. Could be ejected. All right. Okay, I'm just going to remove it. Oh, I'm using it. It's can't eject because I'm using it. So I'm going to close it. Just close this and eject it from the disk. Okay. But now if you go to your applications, you should be able to see it here, and you can launch it directly from here. Okay, so you can do that, and you can also, since it's downloaded, I think it should have moved here, right here. So looks like when it's in the applications, that is the download. That is the .dmg file here. So, but the actual client should be contained in your application. So this is the one that if you open, it should open without asking you to open it, because this is the one that you've downloaded and installed. So yeah, the one it's a pretty interesting one. Looks like the ones that you have in your applications is the actual application that you may not have installed, and if you need to reinstall it again, you can come here and do it. But yeah, so that is the file. Again, it gets if you go to your applications or launchpad if you're using Mac, and just go ahead and launch it, it will launch the client. And now that you have it here, you can use it. You can go ahead and use it. Where is it? Right here. Let's maximize it. Okay, so you can go ahead and use it. So in the next video, I will be showing you how to connect to different databases. I think I do have MySQL installed locally. We'll try to connect to MySQL. I also have Redshift. We will try to connect to Redshift as well. And I don't know if BigQuery allows. We can try that as well. But yeah, in this video, I just wanted I just wanted to show you guys quickly how to download it. It's a pretty straightforward process. So yeah, that is what I had for you guys in this video. If you have not subscribed to the channel, please take a second and click the subscribe button so that you can be notified the next time I release similar videos. Okay guys, bye bye. Thank you.